Now we see the second problem. Find the Fourier series for the function f of x is equal to e power x in 0 to pi. Okay. Let the given function f of x is equal to e power x in 0 to pi. You observe the first problem is f of x is equal to e power ax. And here in this problem, in place of a you put 1, you get the solution. First problem solution, you put a is equal to 1, you get the solution. Now we see this one. Given function f of x is equal to e power x. What is a naught? For every problem, this is the process. A naught, a n, b n. You learned well for the formula for a naught, a n, b n. What is a n? A naught, that is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. Substitute f of x is equal to e power x. We get 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi e power x dx. Integrate 1 by pi constant, e power x integral is e power x, but apply the limits 0 to 2 pi. First apply in place of x 2 pi, then 0. First apply in place of x 1 by pi is constant, e power 2 pi minus e power 0. What is e power 0? 1. Now a naught is equal to 1 by pi e power 2 pi minus 1. Then a n. What is the formula for a n? A n is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx. The next step, substitute in place of f of x e power x. It is in the form of integral e power ax cos bx dx. Use the formula. In place of a we have a, in place of b we have n. Now it can be written as 1 by pi as usual e power x by 1 square plus n square into 1 cos nx plus n sin nx, and apply the limits 0 to 2 pi. First apply 2 pi. In place of x, first apply 2 pi. 1 by pi as it is, e power x place 2 pi ma by 1 plus n square. This one is 1 into means cos a, cos n into 2 pi, cos 2n pi plus n into sin 2n pi. 2 pi into n means 2n pi, sin 2n pi 0, sin ragane 0 pettechma, minus, next minus 0 limit, e power 0 by 1 plus n square cos 0 plus n into sin 0 means 0. Okay, what is cos 2n pi? This is 1. Cos 0 is also 1. Ante 1 plus 0 means ee bracket lo 1 undi. Here also 1 plus 0 means 1. Ante ivi teeseyochu. Some value into 1 ante ee value maatrame valid. E power 2 by 1 plus n square. E power 0 means 1 by 1 plus n square. So we have 1 by 1 plus n square is common. Here it is e power 2 pi minus here this is 1. E power 0 means 1. This is an value. This is an. Now we are going to find bn. 3 values kavallamma. For every problem we need a naught, an, bn. Okay. It can be written as an can be written as 1 into 1 means 1 by pi into 1 plus n square e power 2 pi minus n. Now we see the bn value. For bn, here we use 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. In place of f of x, put e power x. What you get? 1 by pi as it is, integral as it is, e power x sin nx dx. Use the formula. Integral e power ax sin bx dx. A is 1, b is n. We get 1 by pi e power x by 1 plus n square sin nx. Ante 1 into sin nx minus n cos nx. Integration is over. Apply limits 0 to 2 pi. That means first you apply 2 pi. See this next one. 1 by pi e power 2 pi by 1 plus n square sin n into 2 pi sin 2n pi 0 minus n into cos n into 2 pi minus next 0 limit e power 0 by 1 plus n square into sin 0 means 0 minus n into cos 0 1 kabatti minus n into 1 means minus n. You observe here cos 2n pi is also 1, cos 2n pi is also 1. So in this bracket 0 minus n into 1 means 0 minus n and minus n in this bracket. Here also minus n in this bracket. So for two brackets we have minus n in denominator, in numerator 1 by n square, 1 plus n square in denominator. You get 1 by pi n by 1 plus n square. n ante positive number తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వచ్చింది. లేదు డైరెక్ట్గా మీరు ఇదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. -n కామన్ తీసేసాను. pi into 1 plus n square తీసాము. ఇక్కడ e power 2 pi ఉంది, e power 0 means 1. This is bn value ma. Now we find all values which we need, a0, an, bn. Then substitute these values in the given series. What is the Fourier series in the given interval 0 to pi? That is f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus sigma an cos nx plus sigma bn sin nx. Substitute a0, an, bn. Substitute here, you get 1 by 2 into a0, it means 1 by 2 a0. In place of a0 put 1 by pi e power 2 pi minus 1. Sigma cos an cos nx. In place of an put 1 by pi 1 plus n square e power 2 pi minus 1 into same cos nx plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn. In place of bn put this value is bn, you see, this value is bn. Substitute here into sin nx. This is the Fourier series of given function in the interval 0 to pi. See the next one ma, you try it. Find the Fourier series for the function f of x is equal to e power minus x in 0 to pi. See the first problem ma, that is e power fx is equal to e power ax, but here in place of a minus 1 is there. Now you put a is equal to minus 1 in problem 1 solution, you get the solution of this problem. Okay.